Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. This is a highly requested video and I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you can do your custom packages for your small business to ship your package so you can brand your business. My name is Claude Mott, owner and founder of Le Bongo Seasoning, and this channel I share quick and easy recipe and I share a lot of business tips. So if you enjoy this type of videos, please remember to subscribe. So for the first custom package style, we are using online label. I posted a video recently where I show you guys how you can print your label at home for your product. So please remember, go ahead and watch that so you can see the full tutorial on how you can put your label on the online label software to print your label. So it is the same step. I ordered my clear label and then I add my logo on the software of online label and simply print them, and this is the printer that I use. And also remember, when you are printing your label, adjust your printer quality to high gloss so that you can get the best print quality. So now that I have printed my label, I am simply going to put it on the box. One thing that I'm going to make sure to tell you guys, when you order your label, make sure you get the weatherproof or the waterproof, because if you do not, this label, the ink will come out if it is not waterproof. This is one mistake that I made when I started ordering these labels, so I don't want you to make the same mistake. Just make sure that it is waterproof or weatherproof. And this label, you can use them to custom your package, or if you are doing gift box, you want to put your logo in there, they are very beneficial. And this is the size that I use. This is the product code for the label. Go to onlinelabel.com and you can order this clear sheet, and they will give you access to their software for 1 year. Each order that you place with online label, it comes with a code where you can use their software. And if you are ordering multiple, you're going to keep getting new code that they are going to be automatically activated when the old one expires. So this system I really like. The one thing I'm going to say about this system, it can be a little time consuming where you have to print all your label. However, you can always arrange your time. That way you can print all your labels on time, ahead of time, before you print all your orders and have all your orders ready. For the second style, it is also very easy. So I ordered these custom stamps from Amazon. The transaction was very easy to do. You go in there, choose the size for the stamp that you want, and upload your logo, and it gets delivered to you. Another thing that I like is you can buy ink different color. Me, one of the major color for my brand is green, for organic green seasoning, organic seasoning blend. So I have the color green. However, they have red, they have black, which is one of the most common. Whatever color for the ink that you need, you can go ahead and order that. I really like this system because it is very easy. As you can see how easy it is for me to do the stamp. One thing that I'm going to say, the only down thing about these is they are not waterproof, so you need to keep that in mind. And also, I have 2 different sizes. I have a large and I have a small one, and I use the small one for my small boxes as well. And another thing that I'm going to say, when you are putting the ink in the ink pad, do not put too much ink or you will get some smudges or it will get in your hand. However, I really like this system. As you can see, it came out very clear, very nice. One thing I can say, if you want, you can also put a QR code in there. That way people can just use their phone and just go to your website very easily. And this is for the small boxes that I am showing you up here, that I use the small one for that as well. Here is the size for the small wooden step, and you can go on Amazon and order that. And I'm going to make sure all the links of everything that I use in this video are all below. Okay, now, so for the third style, although you see me using a lot of material, it is also very easy to do. And the process that I use is DTF transfer. So I use this sheet for the transfer, and this is the DTF printing papers. So what I did, I also got these from Amazon. I simply upload my logo, and they send those labels to me. One thing that I'm going to make sure that I tell you guys, which is why you have to remember to subscribe for when I drop this video, is I'm going to start printing my own DTF paper at home. And this is the heat press that I am going to be using for the DTF transfer. One thing that I find from doing a lot of research, I see a lot of people turn the Epson printer into DTF print. Turning your printer into a DTF printer, just remember that you will not be able to use it for anything else. So that is the reason why I had to buy a separate printer. And it is very beneficial because you can print your own design and to do your own customization. And I also use DTF print to customize all my apron because I add one apron in each gift box, depending on the type of gift box. So as you can see, this was very easy. I heat up the heat printer and it's like ironing a shirt. Very easy. And this is what it looks like when I took the sheet out. The transfer was very easy and it is neat and it is really clear. I really like this system. However, for some it might be too pricey for you or it might take too much time for you. However, I believe like all these three systems are very beautiful to customize your box or to brand your business because it is also a form of marketing. You are putting your name out there. You don't know when you are shipping your orders to your customers. They are going to transit to different cities, to different towns. So you never know who's going to be curious to go and visit your website. So this is what all three style looks like. Comment below and let me know which one you prefer, which one you think you will do for your business. Personally, I like all three of them. I think they are very neat, they look very professional, and it is a great way to put your name out there. We are going to change gear a little bit and I'm going to show you guys how I do my stickers, print my stickers at home. I get these blank stickers from Amazon. You can get 5,000 of them for like $3, $5, depending on the size that you need. I use this printer. This printer that I use does not use any ink. It is a thermal label printer. Just remember, thermal label printers, they do not print in colors. They only print in black. So you can buy different stickers and different colors so you can print your stickers for whatever design that you want. And if you are using a circle sticker, just make sure you adjust the size in your printer before printing. And if you are a small business owner, you need to be using Canva. They also offer a free account where you still have access to most of the program or the customization that they have there, and even template. So I just use Canva, I downloaded my sticker and I just print my stickers very easily and very fast. I was able to print 400 stickers in less than 5 minutes. It is a great way to save money. That way you don't need to buy customized stickers because a lot of time those stickers, they only going to end up in the trash. However, having a nice sticker that tells somebody, thank you for supporting my business, please remember to leave a review in the packages, it still help with the presentation. So it's not something that you need to break the bank to do. You can just get your blank stickers on Amazon. If you want to do round stickers, square, you can get them on Amazon and use the turbo label printer to print your stickers. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. I really hope all the tips that I shared with you today was useful. And if you have any comments, suggestion, question, please remember to put them in the comment section below. Guys, on next video, I'm going to share with you guys everything that I use to ship my packaging. As you know, I sell organic seasoning product, so I have to use food graded material to make sure that my products stay safe during shipping and that I am still in compliance. So if you like this type of video, please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss when I post the next video. Thanks for watching. Cooking made easy.